how to find the Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can find the Wi-Fi password of your network in Windows 11. So in order to find the Wi-Fi password, all you'll need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply go to the taskbar and click over to this Wi-Fi icon right here. And here you can see I'm connected to this particular Wi-Fi network. And now in order to find out its password, simply click onto this arrow button, and once you will see an interface like this, simply click onto the properties of that Wi-Fi network on which you are connected. Once you click onto the properties, you will be redirected to the settings of your Windows PC, and from here you can see a lot of different addresses and other characteristics of your network. Simply scroll down, and from here you can see the advanced Wi-Fi properties. Click onto this edit button, and now from here you can click onto security, and within security you have network security key, and in order to show the password, click onto this show password or this show characters option, and then you can easily find the password of this Wi-Fi network. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.